Megan Fox's thumbs. Debunking the myth and celebrating uniqueness. Introduction. Megan Fox, the talented and beautiful actress, has been the subject of much discussion and speculation regarding her thumbs. Over the years, rumors have circulated about her having unusual or weird thumbs. In this article, we aim to debunk the myth surrounding Megan Fox's thumbs and celebrate the uniqueness that makes her an inspiring figure in the entertainment industry. 2. The myth of Megan Fox's thumbs. Megan Fox's thumbs have been a topic of discussion in various media outlets and online forums. Some have claimed that she has club thumbs, or a condition called brachydactyly type D, which is characterized by shorter thumbs. However, these claims are nothing more than baseless rumors. Megan Fox, like many individuals, has thumbs that may appear slightly different, but they are perfectly normal and functional. 3. Embracing uniqueness. Rather than viewing Megan Fox's thumbs as something negative or abnormal, we should celebrate the uniqueness they bring. Our differences are what make us special and interesting as individuals. Megan Fox has embraced her unique features, including her thumbs, and has become an advocate for self-acceptance and body positivity. 4. Megan Fox's rise to fame. Megan Fox's rise to fame began with her breakout role in the 2007 film, Transformers. Her stunning looks and undeniable talent caught the attention of audiences worldwide. Despite the initial focus on her physical appearance, Fox has proven time and again that she is more than just a beautiful face. Her acting skills and ability to bring depth to her characters have solidified her as a respected actress in the industry. 5. Inspiring confidence. Megan Fox's journey serves as an inspiration to many individuals who may have felt insecure about their own unique features. She has openly discussed her experiences with body image issues and has encouraged others to embrace their individuality. By embracing her own differences, including her thumbs, Megan Fox has empowered others to love and accept themselves for who they are. 6. Megan Fox's contributions to film. Beyond her physical appearance, Megan Fox has made significant contributions to the film industry. She has showcased her acting prowess in various genres, including action, comedy, and drama. From her roles in films like Jennifer's Body to Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Fox has displayed versatility and a commitment to her craft, earning her the respect of both audiences and critics. 7. Challenging beauty standards. Megan Fox's presence in the entertainment industry has challenged traditional beauty standards. She has defied the narrow definitions of beauty and proven that true beauty comes in many forms. By embracing her unique features and promoting self-acceptance, she has become an icon of empowerment for people of all backgrounds. 8. Conclusion. Megan Fox's thumbs have been the subject of unnecessary speculation and rumors. It's important to debunk the myths surrounding her thumbs and instead celebrate the uniqueness that makes her an inspiring figure in the entertainment industry. Megan Fox's journey serves as a reminder to embrace our own individuality and love ourselves for who we are, thumb quirks and all. Let us celebrate Megan Fox's talent, contributions to film, and her empowering message of self-acceptance and body positivity.